Hi everyone, I've got a fantastic opportunity today to show you this beautiful and well presented 3-bedroom property located on Alresford Road in Salford. Stepping through our lovely pink door, we have this very spacious and bright bay fronted living room, presented beautifully inside. Flowing through here we have our second reception room, which is being used as the dining space. Loads of natural light there coming through, making the property beautiful and bright. Got our long hallway here, great space for storage under the stairs as well, which comes through to this absolutely fantastic kitchen to the rear. Loads of storage, appliances, mixture of wall and base units. Just a lovely modern fitted kitchen there. Plenty of space for families or for entertaining. And then we come out into our yard area here. Nice and bright. We've got shed for storage. Got a lovely seating area there as well. And then coming back through the property, we're going to go up the stairs to our 3 bedrooms and our family bathroom. Going to start at the front of the property, where we have our very generously sized master bedroom, styled really lovely. We've got 2 windows to the front here, bringing in that fantastic natural light. Very good size. So we are in Salford, just a stone's throw away from the fantastic Light Oaks Park. Lots of amazing local schools, amenities and transport links into Salford Quays, Manchester city centre and other areas. This is the 2nd bedroom, which is a very good size again, so you've got 2 generous doubles there. Then on our left hand side, we're coming into this bright family bathroom, which is a 3-piece with our shower there. Lovely radiator, lots of nice features. Then come into the 3rd and final bedroom, which is at the back of the property, which is overlooking that great space we've got to the rear. This has been this fantastic 3-bedroom property located in Salford on Alresford Road. If you'd like to arrange a viewing, please give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.